All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Coming to run. I noticed that most of you all liked the fitness videos, the working out videos, and they're just the being healthy videos. So that's kind of what I'm going to start doing, just a little bit more every Saturday, 10 a.m. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with somebody who's on a fitness journey and just wants to be motivated. Or, I mean, I'm just here for moral support. I'm not physically there with you. I apologize, I can't be. But morally, you have my support. And I really want you to be healthy and be strong, be fast, and just be the best version for yourself. So, yeah, we're going to here at Woodlawn. And I'm going to do interval running. I'm going to stretch. And then we'll get going. It's time to put in that work. All right, let's go. Let's get the work done. I'm gonna start off slow, probably like at a 12. I'll be doing 12s. I'll go up to, or go down to 11s, shoot down to 8s. I'm gonna try to do a 7:30. We'll see how it is. It is already really hot and supposedly it's 58 degrees, but I'm like stretching, I'm sweating already. So let's go. Like naturally just started feeling myself running faster. I have the tendency of like, right off the bat, already pushing like a 9-minute pace. And I was like, nah, I need to pull back. I need to slow down. So it's really hard for me to do intervals because I'm just like one consistent pace all the way through. The only thing I really do change is like elevation. But like even now I'm running, I think I'm running too fast. Yeah, I'm running a 10. So I'm gonna pull back just a little bit more. Again, interval, slow, fast, slow, mid-speed, slow, fast. Something like that. Marathon in about a month. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go. Gonna push it here in a bit. Just cruising it. Barely even moving. Oh, let's go. All right, what is going on, everybody? 7.7 miles done. It was a good one. I'm not gonna lie. I am not the best discipline at doing interval running. I was just constant 9:30s. I finished, I think, with a 10. And just a lot of work. It was good. It was a good run here at Woodlawn. I like Woodlawn. It's literally just like a big circle, and then on top of that, there's different elevations, and then going down declines, inclines, declines, all that good stuff. So definitely pushing on the inclines, pulling back on the declines going down. And yeah, now I'm just here. I think the biggest thing is like just get started. One thing I highly recommend is just start slow. Start slow. Doesn't matter how fast you are. It doesn't matter if you can run the longest without stopping. What matters is just starting slow. A very fast speed walk or a little jog, anywhere from a 13-minute mile, 15-minute mile, just start somewhere and then keep building from there. The biggest thing is functionality. Functionality and the way your system, the way your body works is the most important thing. Understanding how the muscles work, understanding how your body functions is the biggest thing. Strengthening your body by functionality. And I'm not talking about who can bench the most and who can leg press the most and how heavy can you push and pull. Nothing to do with that. All of it is functionality, how fast and how quick and how long your body could sustain pressure. That is the biggest thing. So if you're just starting out, start slow. 1% better. One of my coaches is always saying 1% better every single day. That's the biggest thing. You don't want to give up. You have to keep going. That's the biggest thing, is you have to keep going if you want to see results. You're not going to receive results in 1 week. I've been doing this for a year, and it took me 2 months to lose the 70 pounds, and then just building and building and building my stamina from that point. And now, understanding what I did wrong last marathon, December of last year, my legs gave out. I wasn't strong in my legs. I wasn't strong in my core. All I was doing was just running. So I had the stamina. The stamina was perfect. The stamina was great. I could keep going and keep going and keep going, but I didn't have the strength to sustain my body in that long distance. 27 miles, I think, is what I did at the end. Sustain your body. Know how your body functions, get the work done, put in the work. Yes, it's tiring. Yes, it's gonna hurt. It's supposed to hurt. So many people don't want to take the hard road and get healthy, and then they end up living life short. The biggest thing is take the hard road now. It's very hard. It might be frustrating. It might be tiring. You might want to give up the next day. But the thing is, you have to start somewhere. That's all I got for you. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see how I lost the 70 pounds and you kind of want to follow that rhythm, it's a 3-step process to building that system. Go check out this video right here. I so appreciate the support. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.